Make a great choice today with the 2015 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power lift gate, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.